We introducing in this video 2025 new Lucid Gravity. The Lucid Gravity is a dream electric SUV lands on Earth. The all-electric Lucid Gravity SUV has been unveiled at the LA Auto Show with over 400 miles of range and ultra-fast charging. American electric car startup, Lucid, has made a significant splash at the prestigious Los Angeles Auto Show with the grand unveiling of its second model, the Lucid Gravity. This exciting new addition to Lucid's lineup comes hot on the heels of the highly acclaimed Lucid Air, which was crowned the 2023 World Luxury Car of the Year. Anticipation is already mounting for the Lucid Gravity's release in the US market in 2024, promising to deliver another game-changing electric vehicle. However, for eager enthusiasts in the UK, the question of when right-hand drive models will be available remains unanswered. Nonetheless, Lucid's commitment to pushing the boundaries of electric car technology and design is sure to pique the interest of automotive aficionados worldwide. The Gravity is not only an impressive 7-seat SUV, but it also offers exceptional performance and convenience. Lucid, the manufacturer, guarantees that this vehicle will be able to travel over 440 miles on a single charge from its approximately 120 kilowatt-hour battery. This is already a remarkable feat, but the fast charging capabilities of the Gravity take it to another level. With charging speeds of 350 kilowatts, it can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. This means that even on long journeys, the driver can quickly recharge and get back on the road without any major interruptions. Furthermore, Lucid is proud to announce that the Gravity demonstrates strong efficiency, achieving around 3.6 miles per kilowatt-hour. This impressive figure can be attributed to the compact and power-dense electric drive units, allowing for optimized use of the battery pack. Additionally, the vehicle utilizes a cutting-edge 900-volt electrical architecture, further enhancing its overall efficiency and performance. With these exceptional technological features, the Gravity is not just an ordinary SUV, it represents the future of electric vehicles. The choice of efficient drive units for the Gravity SUV is in line with Lucid's commitment to creating sustainable, high-performance vehicles. These drive units, like those supplied for Formula E and Aston Martin's upcoming electric sports cars, prioritize efficiency without sacrificing power. The SUV's physical design may seem bulky, but its sleek shape contributes to its impressive drag coefficient of just 0.24 CD. This efficiency is further enhanced by features such as slim LED headlights that seamlessly blend into the grille, creating a cohesive and streamlined appearance. With the Gravity SUV, Lucid continues to demonstrate their dedication to creating cutting-edge electric vehicles that prioritize sustainability and performance. The Lucid Gravity's design is sleek and modern, with features that accentuate its width over its height. One of its most stunning design elements is the huge panoramic windscreen that extends over the driver's and passengers' heads, providing an expansive view of the outside. The roof of the Gravity also boasts a glass roof that runs all the way from behind the third row, along with sizable side glass in the long rear doors and smaller windows for rear passengers. This impressive use of glass makes the interior bright and welcoming, ensuring everyone has an unobstructed view out. The middle row of seats slide forward, providing easy access to the third row, while the stadium-style seating elevates those in the back to get a good view forward via the panoramic windscreen. Additionally, the Lucid Gravity's cabin features high-quality, sustainable materials and plenty of glass, similar to its predecessor, the Air. The Clearview cockpit is another impressive feature, with its curved glass OLED display that seems to float in front of the dash. Lucid has also added unique well-being features like Lucid Sanctuary and Lucid Spaces to introduce tranquility and sereneness on the go. The Gravity's optional enhanced air suspension can raise the car over tougher terrain or lower it for increased efficiency, making it a versatile SUV. With production starting in 2024 and prices projected to start under $80,000, £64,520, the Lucid Gravity is sure to appeal to EV enthusiasts worldwide.